How to add or change profile picture in WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily add a profile picture to your WhatsApp account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you open up all of your chats, you want to head over to your profile section. And to do that, you need to open up the settings first. So tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now this sub menu will pop up and you will see the settings right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will see if you've set any profile picture, it will be visible right here. But if you don't have a profile picture, it will show up something like this. So if you want to add a profile picture, go ahead and tap on your profile like this first. And now you will have an option to edit your name, your bio, and your profile picture as well. Go ahead and tap on this camera icon to choose from your gallery or take an instant picture. So as you can see here, you have three options. You can either take a picture, choose a picture from your gallery, and choose your avatar on WhatsApp. I'm just going to choose from my gallery. Now you select your image and you will have an option to crop the image. You can zoom in if you want, you can shrink it if you want. I'm just going to keep it as it is and center this. Then you can just tap on done. And now you can enjoy your new profile picture on your WhatsApp. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.